Alright guys, I got my test light hooked up. Light circuitry light I'm gonna use I think positive. Yeah, I'll go red, ground, should go green. Alright. I still have this in toggle mode. You can hear it toggling. I have both connectors off, so let's see what we got. As far as voltage and ground. Alright, get over here. Oh. Let me get this in a good spot. Be still, sucker. Alright, we got it right here. Now let's see. What is this pin right here? Okay, that's green, which means that is I'm toggling ground, guys. You know what that tell me? That it's powered hot all the time. So it's like a duty cycle ground, I want to say. Now let me see if this one is. Okay, guys. The other side is not hot. It's not power supply. Where's the other connector? Let's do the other connector. Okay, I think my toggle actuator has timed out. Let me go turn my timer back on because it has timed out. Yes. Let's turn this back on. I wasn't done with you. Click start. Okay, it should be toggling again. And yep, I can hear it. So let's see what we got at this connector. Now that one's a constant ground. This one is not hot. Okay, what is this? There you go. I'm ground is on off with the relay. Now I have high speed on, so maybe that has something to do with it. At any rate, without power supply, it's not going to power up. So now we got to find out what feeds this power source, guys. I'm sure it's a power related relay or a fuse, but then it might be a mega fuse. So I'm gonna look it up on the computer, guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back at the computer now. What we're looking for now, I need to find out where the power supply to the fuse come from. So let's go on let's do a wiring diagram. Let's look at the wiring circuit for the cooling system. On the powertrain, we're gonna go into engines. Let's look for right here, cooling system. I want to see. Oh, came right up. The fan. Is this the? Yes, cooling system, cooling fan. All right. Yes, guys, I was correct. This box represents a TIPM. See what it says? Totally integrated power module. Now inside that TIPM is two fuses. Fuse 13, which is a 10 amp, and fuse 15, which is 40 mega amp. All right. Now that power source goes to. Okay, it does have a power distribution. That little block on the front of the strut tower. Yes, it houses some relays, about 4 relays. This showing 3. Okay, so what we're looking at now, here's the fan itself. Remember, guys, there's 4 wires, 2 connectors, 2 wires on each connector. That means there's 4 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we had ground, but we didn't have power supply. And remember, those relays are powered. Right here's the relays. They are powered from the fuse box, fuse 33 and fuse 15. So what I'm gonna do is go check these 2 fuses, guys. Now I'm curious, how is this relay? You can hear the relay actuating, right? So how is they actuating if they're not getting power supply? Something is weird is going on. Alright, I'm gonna have an open circuit somewhere. So we're gonna do it. If these fuses are good, that means the relays. That's the only reason the relay is gonna go on and off, right? Relay on off. Oh, y'all heard the clicking? That represents on off. So obviously the fuse has to be good, right? So from here, from the fan to the relay box. In other words, this connector. Okay, there's a connector between the fan and this box. There's a big old connector in the front. Let's go take a look. First, let's look at these. what did I say? Well, fuse 33 and fuse 15. Let's come. Guys, I hate wasting time. There's no need in checking these. We heard the relays clicking on and off. We heard both low speed fan and high speed fan relay. You will not do that if you do not have power supply there. So we're going to assume these relays are good. I take that back. You guys check it. I'm going to assume these relays are good because I heard the clicking. I'm going straight for, that's an open between here and here. All right, let's go back over to the car and look at something. All right, guys, let's, yeah, this is the relay box. This is the, they call it a distribution. It just have a little cover. So if you're ever looking for it, it's hidden right in front of. These are the relays that I heard clicking going to the fan. Now, so it's obviously an open between here and the fan that's taking away my, guys, disregard the fan. That's not your problem. Remember, we do not have 12 volts going to the fan. The fan will not work. You can put a brand new fan module on here. It still will not work if there's no power supply at these connectors. Now, you can backtrack this harness. It goes all the way up here. Let's get this stupid thing here out the way. Come on. Oh. Alright, so this connector from the fan, like it go right here. Let's check this, guys. Hold tight. Let me go get a pry bar. Alright, pick this tab. Alright, so you get this connector out. Take a look. Make sure nothing burned. Now, from this point to the fan is a whole harness. Alright, so I'll tell you what, guys. I'm going to actuate the relays again, see if I have power supply and ground here. Alright, let's go back to the computer. We're looking for, we're trying to, there we go. Let's toggle the, alright, should be toggling right now. Alright, I hear it toggling. Now let's check something. Uh-oh. Guys, y'all see that? That's my power supply I was missing. And there go my ground. So it's not duty cycle ground. It's, look at that. You hear the relay clicking? I get power supply. So there's an open between here and the freaking... this wire is... I plugged in. Oh man, this ain't even. Oh, is this on? Oh, good. Oh, I thought that was it. This was unplugged, but that's obviously not. I don't know if it's tied in with the fan or not. Damn. Oh, I still ain't plugged. Let me plug this back up. Ah, y'all see that? There you go. Holy crap. Dude. Okay. Let me see if it's some kind of short. Okay, it's making sense, guys. It's making sense. Obviously, the fan... Now, if you look at this harness, you wouldn't think this have nothing to do with the fan, right? So there's obviously some kind of circuitry, because I was thinking the fan harness is just this connector routed to both fans. Guys, this was unplugged. This wasn't secure. Man. So I now obviously have power supply and ground at the fans because they're blowing. The relay is clicking. All right, guys. I had an open circuit. Holy crap. So I want to thank the last guys that, I don't know. I don't like blaming people, man. It's not my place to blame anybody. I need to write up what I found and try to sell it as a repair. All right? Who am I to say? However, it did just come from another shop, guys. Remember, this is new. So they so-called fixed the overheating. She's so distraught she don't even want to go back. But it's not the same. It's the same complaint, but it's not the same repair. So technically it's a different repair, guys. Wow. All right. Let me figure out a way to word this without making anybody look bad. And I also don't want the customer to have to spend an arm and a leg. Holy crap. Y'all hear that? That is music to my ears. That fan running. Bzzz. All right. So, yes, like I said, the fuse have to be good in order for the relays to click on and off. The problem we had, guys, it's simple. Now I'm going to open this back up and see. Yeah, it's lock and tab. It just wasn't locked. I had to go back in the footage and see. Because I think all I did was just close it, right, guys? Was y'all paying attention? My fan running, the car not overheating. And I guarantee the AC going to work now. Yes, you need airflow across the condenser for the AC to work. All right. So I have to go talk. I'm going to let manager make this call. I'll let y'all know what call he made, but hey, I ain't trying to I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to tell management what I found, let him go by figuring out what he want to sell. All right. I'm going to be honest. Me and my manager got a relationship. I'm going to be honest with my manager. I let him do what he do in the best interest of the company, in the best interest of the company. All right, guys. How about that? We'll do it like that. So I won't be the bad guy or the good guy. Customers have never seen me, so they don't know me. They know the establishment and the manager and the service provider. So I'll let them deal with it. All right. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.